Hi, I'm Pastor Michael Schmidt, and today was a great day at our vacation Bible school, Splash Canyon, God's Promises on Life's Wild Ride. Today we had a really wild ride here at Splash Canyon. Our Bible story for today was Paul and the storms on the sea, and God rescuing Paul from those storms and preserving his life. Thanks be to God. Paul is out on the storms and the waves, and they're crashing in the boat, and the boat's really about to fall apart, and life is in danger. It could all end right here. And yet God made a promise to Paul that Paul would preach the gospel in Rome. Therefore, Paul's time is not yet. Paul will live to see another day. He will survive this storm. He will go to Rome and he will preach to the church there. He will speak and proclaim the gospel in the city of Rome. Life there are a lot of ups and downs in life. We feel like we are on the storms and the seas sometimes. The waves are crashing in on us. They're crashing upon us. And we feel that we are about to sink, that we are about to fall apart. And yet God's promise is with us. God promises to be with us. God promises to watch over us, to care for us, show his love to us, to send his son to die for us, to rise for us so that we might live. That is the promise made to us today and every day, that even when all seems to be falling apart, God is there for us. He never leaves us. He never forsakes us. The waves are crashing in when it looks like everything's about to fall apart. It is God who is there holding everything together. God promises that when you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. We remember the words of Psalm 23, "Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." God does not abandon us in the hard times of life. God does not abandon us when all seems to be lost, when chaos reigns. God does not turn away from us. He remains with us. He calls to us in his word and his gifts of his word and sacrament. He proclaims to us that you will not die, but you will live. You will have eternal life. That's the promise that we look forward to. God has kept all of his promises. Because he has kept all of his promises in the past, because he's kept all of his promises today, we can trust and know with certainty that God will keep his promise, that we will have eternal life with him forever. It was a great day at Vacation Bible School. It's been a great week so far. One more day to go. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. It's here at Splash Canyon, God's promise on life's wild ride. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.